First, the headlines. Indian women's hockey team beat South Africa 4-3 in their final Pool A game. Huge consignment of bitter leaf seized from Imphal International Airport. Lamphir police arrested 2 thieves. Tokyo Olympic silver medalist Saiko Mirabai Chanu launches Paukoloi app. And Mirabai Chanu gives privilege to 2 students to study till class 12. Hello and good evening. Welcome to Elite News. I am Himawati Kungbantabam giving you the news and updates for the day. Before giving you the news, we request you to follow the SOP given by the government, wear face masks when out in public, wash hands regularly and maintain a minimum of 6 feet between one person and another. ELITETV requests you to get vaccinated in time to protect ourselves from this virus and play our part in the fight against COVID-19. ELITETV, the first ever 24/7 news channel in Manipur, will be broadcasted from 1st August 2021 in full swing. Series of programs will be broadcasted in this news channel starting with horoscope 7 a.m., news 8 a.m. based on discussion, English prime time news repeat telecast 9 a.m., Manipuri prime time news repeat telecast 10 a.m. A repeat telecast of the 8 a.m. news will broadcast at 11 a.m. Live English news will be telecasted at 12 o'clock. Repeat telecast for special talk 1 p.m. Live Manipuri news 2 p.m. Special talk repeat 3 p.m. English news repeat telecast 4 p.m. Repeat telecast for Manipuri news 5 p.m. A live stream update on English primetime news 6 p.m. A discussion program called Open Debate at 7 p.m. English news repeat telecast at 8 p.m. Live stream update on Manipuri primetime news 9 p.m. Open debate repeat 10 p.m. Manipuri primetime news repeat 11 p.m. Open debate repeat telecast 12 p.m. English prime news repeat 1 a.m. Manipuri primetime news repeat 2 a.m. Special talk repeat 3 a.m. Open debate repeat 4 a.m. English primetime news repeat 5 a.m. and a repeat on special talk telecast at 6 a.m. To subscribe to ELITETV, contact nearby GTPL, Manipur Cable TV service providers and subscribe to ELITETV YouTube channel or follow ELITETV on Twitter and Facebook. Team India kept their qualification hopes alive with a 4-3 win against South Africa in their Pool A women's hockey match played today at the ongoing Tokyo Olympics. Vandana Kataria was the talisman with 3 goals. Biren Singh in his Twitter post today congratulated the Indian women hockey team on their win and applauded the brilliant performance by Vandana Kataria as she became the first Indian woman to score a hat-trick in an Olympics hockey. A team of Tulihal Airport PS led by its OC and commanded by STPO Singjamai and under the overall supervision of SP Imphal West intercepted a consignment of 16 bags of bitter leaf at the cargo delivery point of the Imphal International Airport today around 12:30 p.m. According to police sources, at about 11 a.m., reliable information was received about the delivery of a huge consignment of bitter leaf by Air India Flight 9I741 arriving in Imphal at 11:10 a.m. Acting on the information, the police team rushed at the Berti Kendrajit Imphal International Airport at about 11:30 am and intercepted a consignment of 16 big bags of betel leaf at the cargo delivery point of the Imphal International Airport at 12:30 pm. On inquiry, it is found that the said consignment of betel leaf was shipped to Imphal from Guwahati via Air India 9I741 by one Pramod via Bhagwati Air Express Private Limited to consignee SSS at Imphal under consignment number 098847639991 and was received by 22 years old Kangjam Jackson Singh, son of late K. Dhananjoy Singh of Utlau Chanura Bazar on behalf of SSS. Since the COVID-19 pandemic, there has been an order of the Manipur government on ban of consumption of betel leaves with betel nuts, tobacco products, etc. The items consisting of 16 bags of betel leaves along with the cargo manifest were seized from the possession of Kangjam Jackson at the spot at about 12:45 pm and also arrested him at around 12:50 pm by Tulihal Airport Police Station OC. The arrested person along with the seized items has been handed over to Singjamai Police Station for further necessary legal action, the source added. A police team of Lumphel Police Station arrested two thieves stealing wires from the BSNL office godown at Lumphelpa today morning around 2 am. The arrested persons have been identified as 19-year-old Sangomsang Jalas, son of late Sangomsang Saidui Rahman of Urup Awang Laikai, Imphal East District, and 20 years old Wangmem Amir Khan, son of Wangmem Abdul Hay of Sangayumpham Mairen Khun, Taubal District. On earlier occasions, they had stolen articles from the same place. The arrested persons have been handed over to concerned police station for necessary legal actions, police source added. Tokyo Olympic silver medalist Saiko Mirabai Chanu today launched the Paukholoi app in a small event held at her residence at Nongpo Kakching created by Saikom Enterprises. Paukholoi provides jobs to two-wheeler, three-wheeler and four-wheeler drivers who want to provide service to the people, said proprietor Saikom Ratanjit of Saikom Enterprises during the launching ceremony. Cab services as well as delivery services could be benefited through this online app. Interested drivers could register for this app at Saikom Enterprises office, Lalambung Rims Road or contact through 89740-10117. Olympic silver medalist Saiko Mirabai appreciated the service given to the drivers by Saikom Enterprises, which gives them a source of income for their livelihood. Saiko Mirabai Chanu has also given privilege to two students selected from a most needy family to study at Emmanuel English Academy, Yangon till class 12. Founder Secretary Salam Sundar of the Academy said the privilege for the two students was given during a small event organized today on behalf of her achievement, wherein 3 orange saplings were presented as a token of appreciation. Chairman Dr. S. Mangi Singh and other members of the Managing Committee of the Academy were also present. Salam Sundar appreciated Mirabai for giving the two students free education till class 12 and encouraged her to bring greater laurels for Manipur as well as India in the years to come. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee had organized its first office bearers meeting of the newly appointed MPCC President MLA N. Loken Singh at Congress Bhavan, Imphal yesterday. The meeting was chaired by MPCC President MLA N. Loken Singh in presence of various other party leaders. The members present at the meeting also warmly welcomed by Hareshwar Goswami, MPCC General Secretary Administration. 2 minutes silence was also observed to condole the sudden demise of MPCC former Permanent Secretary Sanasam Koireng Singh on 28 July 2021. He was 73 years old. The members present in the meeting applauded and showed their gratitude to MLA N. Loken Singh on being appointed as MPCC President. They also expressed their views and put up several issues related to strengthening the party's present situation. Newly appointed party president highlighted several points to strengthen the party, thereby providing assurance to get maximum number of seats, not less than 45 seats out of 60 seats of assembly constituencies in the upcoming assembly elections. Now it's time for a short break. Do stay tuned.
Tamo. Kaya lo sandribo. As karangan sa siya na harago.
Kaya noy sibo, kaya siya pinay sibo.
Hima. COVID ki vaccine kap thok siya na ngana du phas na hainay dudi.
Ay haksang ka sutog de. Ay kapoy. Nate, haksang ka sutog do ba inguni da kapag kay kada ay kapoy hasin.
Tamo. Narak dringay dana isana hanay sexual ho na phatro. Kap thok na phatabra ba.
Hoyare, section man nung kapuro. Ay kapoy.
As khangdre da. Kamay ngana do na khangdre. Phare, adu de chalu khige. Pungo, mama inda kapuge ko, papa ngalera mo.
COVID-19 लाइसेट असि ngakthok nabagi damak COVID ki vaccine kapna लाइसेट असि mari leinaba laina लाइसेट singdagi ngakthok sabangami masida natana लाइसेट asina sanghan nabagi damak matam gi sarkar na pirakpa sana kangon sing aikhoi ngakna satminarasi Cowin apps ta register to piduna adom su suksoi soiduna vaccine asi kapthok pi COVID ki vaccine kapthok tuna COVID leitaba iram dam mu heminarasi
aikhoi vaccine kapne
Welcome back. This is Elite News. More news and updates. A dead body of an unknown person was found today in a suspicious manner at Kelakong Hameng Salam in Imphal West District today morning. According to sources, the cause of the death is suspected to be due to drug overdose. BJP Manipur Pradesh President Adhikari Mayum Sarda Devi felicitated Tokyo Olympic silver medalist Saikho Mirabai Chanu by presenting a portrait image of Manipuri traditional sport polo today. Mirabai Chanu, together with renowned former boxer Laisham Sarita, who was present during the event, spoke on the diet required for the players and continued that Manipuri traditional food is quite suited for the players and it's much beneficial for their diet. On the other hand, Sarda Devi assured that their wishes could be fulfilled with the consent from the Chief Minister as Manipur and Centre being BJP-led government. Members of Kumbi Ideal Youth Development Organization KIYDO Kumbi, under the sponsorship of the intending councillor candidate of Kumbi Ward No. 6 Wahingbam Ungbi Ruhini Devi and ex-councillor Wahingbam Nandakishore, distributed 70 bags of urea fertilizers to 70 farmers of Kumbi Ward No. 6 today. Speaking on the occasion, Wahingbam Ungbi Ruhini assured that she will take possible initiative to make Kumbi Ward No. 6 a model village and will continue to give aid to the COVID-19 affected families in the area. She advised the farmers to follow COVID-related SOPs while working on the field. The farmers appreciated Wahingbam Ungbi Ruhini Devi and Wahingbam Nandakishore for distributing the fertilizer at free of cost at this time of COVID pandemic. Wahingbam Ungbi Ruhini Devi, in collaboration with Kumbi Ideal Youth Development Organization, also distributed 1 kg of local fish each to 35 COVID-19 positive families today. The COVID positive families also appreciated Ruhini Devi for her aid as they could not go out to fetch essential goods of being in the containment zone. Mention may be that Ruhini Devi had been giving aid to the COVID-19 affected families since the state was hit by COVID pandemic. Acting on a reliable information, a combined team of Special Commando led by OC Vivekananda and 16 Assam Rifles has arrested one active cadre of proscribed outfit Revolutionary People's Front or People's Liberation Army RPF PLA from Royal Academy of Science Kongba Khetri Lekai, Imphal East today around 11:30 am. The arrested person has been identified as 38 years old Ningthaujam Ibumcha alias Loroi Ba Singh, son of Yaima of Lafupa Teramaya Lekai, Kakching district. On interrogation, he disclosed that he worked under Pishak Singh and Anho of auxiliary section of the outfit. He received basic military training at Sazik Tampak in the year 2003. The arrested cadre has been handed over to Irilbung police station for further interrogation. In continuation to the assistance provided to the COVID-affected people, Aid India, in collaboration with Bharat Gyan Vigyan Samiti Manipur, distributed relief items to the poor people at Chakpi Karong Happy Colony, Chandel district on 29 July. The relief items, which include rice, pulses, cooking oils, etc., were distributed under the COVID relief initiative with an aim to fight against the COVID pandemic. Social worker Thangjam Arun Kumar distributed face mask, hand wash and hand sanitizer to the staff of ELITETV. Speaking on the occasion, Arun Kumar expressed that reporters and journalists play a major role in keeping the people informed about the day-to-day happenings. The aid was given in view of the COVID-19 pandemic and as a token of dedication for their service in the society.
Isagi aki kan bon thado kanda chogu tawdang lodana miyam da sigi message ma piba adu da natna tungan behiranda I pom yam ro hon biba sigumba tamti ro tan sida aina pami sing dum to khanja pami chinnaw sing khanja kanda kitang namjaba khadang uni thogot chaboina agi maiki dagi akoi covid ka sumai leina chatok chasin to bukanda kitang safe hoina ba mask hand sanitizer aduga hand wash khadang agi namjaba gi site gi pami sing gi tongte yingje kanda ain kudol tamjabani.
Free vaccination and free food grain was organized at Maibam Lekai Community Hall of Imphal West. Speaking on the occasion, Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises National Board member Robin Blackie expressed that ever since the beginning of the pandemic back in the late 2019, India has been striving hard in developing its healthcare sector. Health Services, Library and Cultural Center, Kaibung Maibam Lekai and Young Men's Development Association, Liwa Lambi jointly organized the free vaccination program under the supervision of National Board member Robin Blackie. Speaking on the occasion, Robin Blackie said 80% population of Langthabal constituency have been vaccinated so far and is on the verge to make 100% vaccinated constituency. Robin Blackie appealed to the public to get vaccinated as COVID vaccination is the only means to protect from COVID virus. Committee of Civil Societies Kanglei Park CCSK in collaboration with Union of Private Rehabilitation Center Kanglei Park UPRECK under the guidance of Imphal West District Commissioner today conducted a mass COVID vaccination and advocacy program at Revenant De-Addiction Center, Samuro, Imphal West, Mainstream Foundation, Paubiteg and Sober Life, Topsify. Around 120 inmates undergoing treatment at private rehabilitation centers were vaccinated during the program. For a COVID-free state, CCSK appealed to the de-addiction or rehab centers enrolled under Union of Private Rehabilitation to take part in the mass vaccination cum advocacy program. Now it's time for a short break once again. Do stay tuned.
Hãy khui vaccine các lễ xe. Hãy khui vaccine các lễ xe. Hãy khui vaccine các lễ xe. Corona lan chẳng thể ngờ xe. Hãy khui vaccine các lễ xe. Corona đi ngắm lễ xe. Chỉ sao khăn mỗi cây ta hành na bằng lệ xe chỉ sao khăn mỗi cây ta hành na bằng lệ xe
Asingmune akhoi pone vaccine kap thokuna corona de ngak thokuna hani principle hanjano hanabada adum srok yabi.
Welcome back. This is Elite News. More news and updates. The Mizoram Police has booked Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma and several officials of the state on charges of attempt to murder and criminal conspiracy over the violent clashes on the interstate border on July 26 that claimed the lives of 6 cops and a civilian. According to reports, besides Sarma, Assam IGP Anurag Agarwal, DIGP Devojyoti Mukherjee, Kasar DC Kirti Jali, Kasar former SP Bhaivav Chandrakant Nimbalkar, Forest Officer Sunny Dio Chaudhary, Dholai Police Station OC Sahabuddin and 200 unidentified Assam police personnel have been named in the FIR. It further states that the Assam police team had arrived at the spot with tents and other materials accompanied by 20 vehicles with the sole aim of constructing a camp by forcibly occupying the Mizoram BOP. The Assam police on Friday issued summons to several prominent faces from Mizoram, including Rajya Sabha MP K. Vanlalvena, for questioning. The police visited the residence of the MP in New Delhi to serve the summons. Countering Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma's claim on border clash, Mizoram Chief Minister Zoramthanga on Friday said it was the Assam police who had fired first and that all they wanted is a peaceful solution. It is cited that there will be a second round of discussion with all CMs if needed. In a written statement in Rajya Sabha, MOS Science and Technology Dr. Jitendra Singh announced on Thursday that by the third quarter of 2021-22, the Indian Space Research Organisation ISRO will launch EOS-3, a geoimaging satellite capable of near real-time monitoring of natural disasters like floods and cyclones. The EOS-3 satellite is efficient in imaging the country 4 to 5 times a day. Apart from scanning for natural disasters, the satellite will also be able to monitor the level and condition of water bodies, crops, agricultural conditions, and forest cover changes, among others. Dr. Jitendra Singh also informed that the first developmental flight of the small satellite launch vehicle SSLV is scheduled to be launched in the fourth quarter of 2021 from the Satish Dhawan Space Center, Sriharikota. ISRO has enabled SSLV to be developed as a cost-effective 3-stage all-solid launch vehicle with a payload capability of 500 kg to 500 km planar orbit or 300 kg to sun-synchronous polar orbit. It is ideal for the on-demand, quick turnaround launch of small satellites. The major technologies associated with SSLV are flexible nozzle control with electromechanical actuators for all stages, miniaturized avionics, and a velocity trimming module in the upper stage for precise satellite injection, the minister informed. Israel has accused Iran behind an attack on an oil tanker in which 2 crew members, a British national and a Romanian citizen, were killed. The incident occurred on Thursday when MV Mercer Strait, operated by the London-based company Zodiac Maritime, was off Oman's coast in the Arabian Sea. The company, which belongs to the Israeli shipping magnate, said it was working to establish what had happened. But Israeli Foreign Minister Yair Lapid on Friday blamed the incident as Iranian terrorism. Yair Lapid said that it is not just a problem of Israel and the world must not be silent. However, details of the attack on the Liberian-flagged Japanese-owned tanker remains unclear. Iran has not yet commented on the allegations. Now, before we wind up for the day, let's have a quick look at the headlines once again. Indian women's hockey team beat South Africa 4-3 in their final Pool A game. Huge consignment of bitter leaf seized from Imphal International Airport. Lamphel police arrested 2 thieves. Tokyo Olympic silver medalist Saiko Mirabai Chanu launches Paukoloi app. And Mirabai Chanu gives privilege to 2 students to study till class 12. And that's all with the news for today. Good night. Have a great night.